Hello guys, welcome to Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you check available storage on iPhone. So to check your available storage on iPhone, go to settings at first. Now here you can see in the bottom the general option. Just click on this general. And after clicking on general, in the middle here you can see iPhone storage. Just click on it. Now after clicking on iPhone storage, you may need to wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see I am using 250GB variant of iPhone and I have used almost 105.86GB on iPhone, and in the black background and in the white font you can see I have available storage of 150.14GB. So guys, there how you can see the available storage on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.